Welcome to consumr.ai. Let's learn how to use the Omnibox, a unified search engine that generates consumer behavior, search intent, and social mentions reports from a single input. Click the online menu to get started. This is the central hub for all on-demand market intelligence on consumr.ai. The All tab shows every search filter in one view. Best starting point when you're exploring what the Omnibox can do, or when you're not yet sure which input method fits your question. The Brief tab is where natural language meets structured research. Describe what you're trying to learn in plain English. And consumr.ai converts your business question into actionable research parameters. Click the drop-down to choose your report type. Behavior maps consumer habits and lifestyle patterns. Intent captures search signals and purchase behavior. Mentions track social conversation and brand sentiment. By default, all three are generated together. Click Submit to process your brief. consumr.ai parses your input and structures it into data points ready for report creation. Here's how the parsed inputs look: a structured breakdown of how consumr.ai interpreted your brief and which data points will feed into each report. Click Add Selection to Omnibox to process each input individually. Granular control over exactly which data points power your reports. First up, the behavior report. This maps who your consumers actually are, their habits, lifestyle patterns, demographics, and psychographic characteristics, how they live, shop, and make decisions. Refine it further with filters, demographics, psychographics, audience exclusions, or specific segment categories. Narrow your research focus to exactly the consumers you care about. Click Create to generate. consumr.ai compiles the filtered data into a structured behavior analysis, ready for audience strategy, persona development, or campaign targeting. Next, the intent report. This captures what your audience is actively searching for right now: the queries, research behavior, and purchase signals that reveal where they sit in the buying journey. Refine by platform, location, keyword exclusions, or behavior influences. See how intent shifts across Google, Amazon, YouTube, or how lifestyle factors shape what consumers search for. Click Create to generate trending searches, purchase signals, and the topics your audience is actively researching, all in one report. Lastly, the mentions report. This tracks what consumers are saying about your brand, your competitors, and your category across social platforms in real time. Refine by date range, social source, or keyword exclusions. Filter noise. Focus on the conversations that actually matter to your brand. Click Create to generate. Brand sentiment, conversation volume, trending topics, competitive share of voice, structured and ready to act on. Next up, you may also use specific first-party audiences to create your insight and intelligence reports. Beyond briefs, you can also run reports using first-party audiences. Intelligence grounded in the specific consumer segments your brand already knows and targets. Select an audience from the drop-down. Reports built from your own segments give you intelligence that's already calibrated to your market. Or use third-party audiences. Enter any interest, behavior, or life stage. And consumr.ai surfaces matching audience profiles from its broader consumer data ecosystem. The Keyword tab lets you skip the brief entirely, enter search terms directly, and generate intent or mentions reports, ideal for SEO research, competitive keyword tracking, or monitoring specific search trends. Add a keyword and pick your report type. Intent reveals what consumers are searching for. Mentions reveals what they're talking about. Two sides of the same coin. The Categories tab works at a broader level. Enter category-level terms to explore market trends, growth signals, and emerging consumer interests, before narrowing into specific keywords. The URL tab takes a different approach entirely. Paste a link to any web page, Amazon listing, or App Store page. And consumr.ai generates behavior and intent reports from the content and audience signals it finds there. Navigate to the Knowledge section to find every report you've generated, your full intelligence library, stored and searchable. Browse through the library to access individual reports. Each one is timestamped, building a longitudinal archive that grows more valuable with every report you create. And that's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai. Thanks for watching.